Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. In today's video guys, we're going to explain about timing marks on Hyundai and Kia, the 1.8 or 2.0 NU engine. So, if you did a timing chain replacement, if you put a new head, if you took the engine apart for some reason, put a new tensioner or something like that, you need to set the timing on that thing. This engine's been used in a Elantra, Kia Forte, so I think in even some Optimas as well. So, let me explain where the timing marks are now. When everything's together guys, okay, that's how you put them. The engine is a TDC point, top dead center, which means that cylinder number 1 is all the way up and it's right before it starts going down. TDC point, okay, will be, okay, like this cylinder number 1. TDC point is when cylinder number 1 is all the way up. After that, this is intake camshaft, exhaust camshaft. Okay, on those right here you can see they have to be pointing towards each other and they have to be leveled with the surface of the head following that plane. The timing chain has 3 covered links, 2 on top, you have to match with those dots, and 1 on the bottom. Now, okay, right here, this is the bottom one, okay, right here. Now the engine at TDC, okay, that's what it looks like. This thing, okay, needs to be leveled with the plane of the engine here. And the other covered link is this one here, and it matches that dot, as you can see. So you can see that dot with that link, these 2 links with the other dots. And it's very important now, okay, we're going to go ahead and turn the engine 2 revolutions once you install the timing chain. We have a whole detailed video how to replace the chain and all that stuff on Auto Repair guys, our main channel with over 77,000 subscribers, so please check it out guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn the engine 2 revolutions and we'll still need to match at top dead center. These 2 will need to be towards each other. The marks on the chain will not come at the same spots because that's impossible. But at TDC, the camshafts will need to be facing each other. So I'll go ahead, okay, and start turning the engine. Few revolutions on the crankshaft. Okay. We're almost getting there. Okay, that's 2 revolutions almost. Okay, let me just... Oh, right there. Now, the engine is a TDC point. Okay, a TDC point, those 2 are matching right here, facing towards each other. And on the bottom, you have the engine again at TDC. Okay, and you can see that's what it looks like, what we started with, the same flat spot on top there. So you can check with a metal rod, but careful not to do any damage through the spark plug hole to see that this is a TDC point. After that point, if I turn the engine just a little bit even, it will start, the piston number 1 will start dropping. Okay, check it out now. Okay, you can see. Okay. Let me go up, it will go up to TDC. This is TDC point, right here. Okay, you see everything's matching there. And now it will start going down. Okay, you can see, so past TDC, so everything's good. So at TDC, you have to have the 2 marks matching here on the camshaft. So that will be guys the whole procedure for that NU engine. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.